Hello everyone, for breakfast on Father's Day, I made a scrumptious bulgjol and fried bake. Because we usually head back to the city on a Sunday afternoon, lunch was a very quick fried rice with a rib roast and a salad. Usually when I make fried rice, I never use the same combination. In today's fried rice, I used the following ingredients: jasmine rice, green seasoning, ginger, broccoli slaw, black pepper, parsley, celery, minced garlic, chopped bell peppers, chopped scallions, chopped onions, and sesame oil. You will also need salt and extra virgin olive oil. Broccoli slaw is a combination of broccoli, carrots, and cabbage. If you don't have broccoli slaw, which I purchased pre-packaged from the supermarket, you can use cabbage and carrot. Heat about 4 to 6 tablespoons oil in a large pot. Add your sliced or grated ginger. If it's sliced, you can remove it later. If it's grated, it will become part of your dish. Cook until it's aromatic and golden brown. Add the onions and the hot pepper and cook until the edges are golden brown as well, about 1 to 3 minutes. What we're doing here, my friends, is adding flavor. Patiently, ingredient by ingredient. The oil is infused with all the aromatics, and then the oil coats the rice and makes each spoonful a very satisfying experience. Now we're adding the green seasoning, about 3 tablespoons. We'll allow it to cook about a minute or two. The spoon should be flush like this, and we'll try to mix it. Mix it. We've added about 3 tablespoons of the green seasoning. Now it's time to add the garlic and cook it for another minute. Stir it. Lower the heat. Add just a little more oil. I'm going to add the celery. Add the pepper. Add the broccoli slaw now. Stir it up. Comes together very quickly, so make sure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You don't want to overcook your vegetables unless you like it overcooked. Oops. I think that's good for me. You add some salt. Pepper, stir, put the scallions in and the parsley. Just for a couple of seconds. And now we're going to add the rice. This is about 6 to 8 cups of rice. You don't have to add all this rice. Raise the heat to high. Taste the salt. And add sesame oil. About a tablespoon or 2. You could add soy sauce here if you wish, but I don't have any today. And there you have it, a quick, easy, so tasty veggie fried rice. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.